Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new week of ELA. This week is being a little different. We did not have school on Monday due to Labor Day, and Wednesday is an all virtual day. So that means the virtual learners are going to stay the same, so nothing's changing for you guys, but our in person learners are going to take a virtual day. And this is going to be the case for the rest of the month, that every Wednesday all students will take a virtual day. This allows teachers to um, figure out some better ways to teach virtually and in person at the same time. And it allows us a little extra time to plan and make the learning as good as it can possibly be in these kind of different times. So we hope that you'll enjoy the Wednesday virtually, that you won't have too much trouble. Feel free to reach out to us if there are any problems. We will still be here to help you and to Zoom with you and to put all your assignments up for you. Other than that, you're going to just go check out each day as it becomes available to you. We've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and some activities and lessons for each day.